What's up YouTube, it's your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to Cayuga and checking out some insane builds. It's about an hour and a bit of a cruise, so we might get some nice pulls and stuff going on the way up. But at the actual Cayuga, we got some insane cars, a drag circuit, and I believe there'll be drift. So stay tuned, stick with it, and let's get it. All right, so we're gonna head out. We got AJ's 9 Gen, my 10 Gen, and Alto Supra. This thing's sick. You guys ready? You guys ready to head out? We are online, ready to get in. We're actually on the road and there's a huge line to get in. Goddamn, I've never come this late, so maybe that's why usually when I come it's early morning, we get in pretty quickly. But we took a pretty freaking long route. Like, my GPS took us on a scenic route. It was a sick cruise. It was nice. It was nice to cruise with friends and jam to some music and enjoy. I really enjoyed that cruise. We finally made it, and this place is absolutely crazy. Check it out. Look at all these cars. Holy shit, boys. We're gonna go check out the Garage 16 tent and see what is going on over there, but this place is absolutely nuts. Ho-ho. Check out some of these crazy builds. This is Ruben. He's got himself a YouTube channel also, and this is FIA Garage 16 here. We literally, these things are absolutely insane. God damn. These are some serious cars. Look at this thing. Woo-hoo, wide body EK. This thing is street legal also. That's what's amazing about it. This hatch goes hard. God damn. Carbon fenders, carbon hood, my style. We got some brides and everything in there. God damn. This makes me want to put seats in the tent, I ain't gonna lie. Here is another hatch that goes so hard. Look at this thing. These on bags. Fitment. It's tucking wheels right here. Check that out. Damn. Let's see the trunk setup. God damn, this thing looks stupid clean. This thing is stupid clean. I like it a lot. Bro, you did a good job.
Thanks, man.
You did a good job. This thing is sick.
Oh, thank you very much.
Damn. Look at that. You and your buddy should be parked side by side. This thing's nice. I really like it a lot. You gotta do some 10th Gen love here. The yellow looks sick. Even the Subi goes pretty hard. This is my buddy Leo's EG. He's running some nice numbers right now. We're not gonna talk about his numbers until they're final. But buddy, look at this tire. Jesus Christ. This thing gets traction. It gets off the hole nice, eh? Oh, yeah. I believe it. This thing's sick. I've seen this thing just be built slowly but surely, and now he's at the track. That's what I'm talking about. It's a beautiful car, I like it. And then we have Mr. Rubens right behind. That's a good race between you two, huh? The two EGs. Damn. Good shit. You guys have probably seen this in the channel before. This car's absolutely beautiful. Check it out. Remember we were talking about those goodies? If you guys watched the last meet video, you got everything in. It's looking super nice. Good job, buddy. This thing's amazing. How many of you remember this video? This is Marco's EK. This thing's absolutely crazy. We have a review video on it, so you gotta check it out. This thing's like 500 horsepower plus, and this thing moves. It's super clean, super nice. Check it out. This thing's a beauty. was an absolutely awesome event. The cars were absolutely insane, and that's probably the busiest I've ever seen that. I really enjoyed it. It was a sick cruise. Cruised up, had some nice roller shots. Everything was kind of one-handed, so it was a little shakier than normally. And then the cinematics, I think I did a pretty good damn job. I'm not gonna lie, I really enjoyed how this came out. And I did everything free-handed too, so stay tuned. I have a lot more coming. Cinematics are coming also, and more vlogs and more builds and everything. This was just a small little video of my time there. I saw a lot of you guys there, and I was talking to a lot of you guys there, and I just captured a few of you. But next time I'll definitely keep the camera out more. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Do it once, do it right. Peace out, and later.